Hello guys, today we're going to talk about how to apply discounts on your Shopify store. So first of all, you go to the discounts tab and you see this dashboard. If you want to create new one, you just click to create discount and Shopify gives you several different options. For example, amount of products means that you can apply a discount to a specific products or collections of the products. Then you have a second type of discounts when you buy, for example, X type of products or X amount of products and you get another one for a discounted price or for free. This could be an example of buy one, get one free type of products. Then you have an amount of order. This means that you can specify the amount you would deduct from the entire order and you can specify how much the order should be. And the fourth one is free shipping, which you can apply if you don't already have the free shipping options for the customers. Normally what I use, but it depends on the situation and what type of discounts you want to apply, but the specific is the same. Let's go to the amount of product to see how it works. So here you have the details. For example, you can have and generate discount code, which means that the customer will need to apply this discount code during the checkout procedure and then the amount would be deducted. Or you can choose the automatic discount and apply it automatically. So if you do the discount code, you can type your own code here or generate a random code. Like if you click here, you would have the generated random code, or you can write, for example, 10% off or something like this. Try to come up with a simple name. Then you have different options. You can have a discount like a percentage or a fixed amount. If you choose a fixed amount, you can just type here how much you want to discount, or if you choose the percentage, you would just type here the percentage you want to discount. Then you should choose on what this discount applies to. For example, it could be a specific collection or a specific product. If you choose a specific collection, then you need to browse among your collections and choose the collection you want to apply this discount to. Then you should choose the minimum purchase requirements if you want to. For example, if you do not want to have any other additional requirements, you would just click no minimum requirements, or you could have the minimum purchase amount to apply this discount, or you can have minimum quantity of items for the customers to buy to be able to use this discount. Then you can choose the eligible customers, so the discount could be applied to all type of customers or specific customer segments if you have some, or specific customers, for example, if you have a VIP customer or subscribers or something like that. Then you can limit the discount uses. For example, you can limit number of times the discount can be used in total, or a limit to one user per customer. And then you can decide if the customer can combine this discount to another type of discount that you already have. For example, it could be other product discounts or order discounts or shipping discounts. And the last detail you need to fill is the dates that this discount would be active. For example, you can type here the start time manually, and you can set the end date also by clicking here. You can choose the channels you want to apply these discounts on. Otherwise, it would be just Shopify. And you can see the whole summary here and choose if everything is okay. Then click to save and the discount would be active. So as you can see, I have an active scheduled discount already, but there is another type of discount you want to apply, but it is done from completely different tab. For example, when you want to have a product discount, then you need to go to the products tab, choose the product you want to apply the discount to. For example, I would go with this t-shirt. You should click here and then click to bulk edit when you have different sizes and varieties. Then you should have the column here called compare at price. If you do not have this column, you should click to the columns and find, I don't want these extra columns now, so I will just remove. So you would click in the pricing tab, compare at price, to use this column, and I'll just quickly remove the other ones. So as you can see, I have the base price 23.18 and I need to have a discount. So for example, if I want to have 25 and I want to sell it for 20, and I would just apply it to the different varieties of the product that I have. Here's now 25. So I would deduct this to 23. So let's say I would sell these sizes for $23 from 27, and this price, so I would sell 3XL. As you can see, it's almost $30, so 34, and I would sell for 27. Okay, so I would save it and I will show you how it would look like. So this was the product before discount. So you can see the price here. We applied some discount, so I would just refresh the tab and you would see how it appears. So now, as you can see, we have like scratch this $25, we have new price, and sale button is also applied, so people could see that this product is on sale. So this would be applied to all the tabs and windows where you see this product. So that's it. It's very easy to apply. Although if you have a lot of products and you want to apply those product discounts and they have these different sizes and colors like this, then you would have to bulk edit it manually. There is no automation for that. So this might be time consuming, but this is how it's done. So hope it was helpful, and if you like such videos, please subscribe and click to the like button and the bell button to receive the notifications regarding the Shopify how-tos. Thank you very much and have a good day.